we need to find the acceleration of a cylinder which is rolling on an inclined plane that makes angle 60 degree. So this is the inclined plane, cylinder is there, so it is exhibiting rolling motion. It rolls as well as moves forward. So in this case, there is an expression for acceleration which is g sine theta divided by 1 plus moment of inertia about center of mass and divided by m square. So here they should have mentioned what cylinder it is, but they haven't mentioned. So by default, we'll consider it as a solid cylinder. Moment of inertia of a solid cylinder about its center of mass is mr squared by 2. So we'll substitute this. A equal to g sine theta. G is 10 sine 60 degree divided by 1 plus. This is mr squared by 2. Again mr squared. So mr squared will get cancelled. You can simplify this further.